Hey, what's up guys? So here I have is the laundry detergent cup holder. So basically it goes right in your detergent and you won't have the spill or stuff like that. We'll show you guys a little more later. So let's get it open. Okay, so it looks just like this. So this will lock around your pour on your detergent, and this is the basically it holds the cup. So you take it off and you put it on. Look just like that. It has a rubber. You can take it off to clean. So I'm gonna show you guys how exactly it goes. So here I have the detergent. You can see that I keep the cups on top. So you have your detergent, you'll slide your basically your cup holder, push it back. Okay, so that's all set and it goes right there. So you put your cup just like that and you'll pour it right in. Same thing with my softener. I'll take it off, put it in. Very hard to do with one hand, but we'll get it in. Okay, so you put it in and it looks just like this. All you have to do is push down, it comes out, and you'll grab it and you're good to go. Very nice. Very, very nice.